Hello everyone, my name is Danishwari. Today I am going to present on data types used in Python. So what I am going to cover in this presentation is introduction to data types, importance of data types, discussion on important Python data types, summary and conclusion. First, we'll see introduction to data types in Python. What is the data type? A data type defines the type of variable that type of value that a variable can store. Python automatically assigns the data types based on the value. For example, if we define x is equals to 5, it automatically takes it as an integer data type. We need not to specify it typically. So why data types are important in Python? The data type is important because the computer should understand how to process on the given data so that uh, to maintain the efficiency the data types are used. And Python is an open source and free language, and it is versatile and multi-purpose language. So Python is used in various fields such as web development, data science, machine learning, artificial intelligence, and it is also very important and easy to learn and use. It is readable, very beginner friendly language. Any beginners can learn it easily. And also it is Python is a platform independent language, runs on Windows, Mac, Linux, right, and once and run anywhere. We can write in any platform and run can in any platform. So Python is widely used, and also it has many rich libraries and frameworks like NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, Django, Flask, like NumPy, Pandas, Scikit-learn, and like this other libraries and frameworks helps to visualize and use the language widely. So we'll see the data types one by one. First is the numeric data types, which are integer, float. Integer stores whole numbers, positive or negative, without decimals. For example, x is equal to 25, y is equals to minus 10. This integer data type is used in counting items, loop counters, indexing, storing age and quantity and marks like this. For storing integer values, we use integer data type. Next is float, floating data type. Float stores the number with decimal points. So here we can store after the decimal values also we can store in this data type. Like example, price is equals to 99.999 and pi is equals to 3.14. It is used for used in scientific calculations, currency values, percentage calculations, measuring values. So the next data type is complex. Complex number contain a real and imaginary part. Example, z1 is equals to 3 plus 4i, z2 is equals to 2 minus 5i. This I is the imaginary values. It is used in electrical engineering, signal processing, and in advanced mathematics, this complex data type is used. So next is string data type. String stores text or characters inside quotes. Example, name is equal to Danishwar. This is the string value, meaning it is the collection of characters. It is stored in the string data type. So this is used to storing the names, displaying the messages, passwords, and text processing. For storing the text values, we use string data type. Next is Boolean data type. It only stores two values, true or false. So this is used for decision making, conditional statements, and comparisons, and for the logical operations. Next is list. List is an ordered and changeable collection of items. Example, numbers is equals to 1, 2, 3, meaning here square brackets are used to store the values separated by comma, and in this list the data can be changed. It is used for storing multiple values, dynamic data storage, and iterating using loops, modifying the elements. If we want to modify the elements after declaring also, we should use list. So next is tuple. Tuple is an ordered but unchangeable collection. Example, coordinates is equals to 10, 20, colors is equals to red, green, blue. But here it is the fixed data storage. We cannot change the values. It is used for returning multiple values from a function or protecting the data from modification. At the time we use tuple. Next is the range data type. Range represents a sequence of numbers. So example, R1 is equals to range 5, R2 is equals to range of 1, 10, comma 2. This range is used in loops or generating sequences controlling iterations. Like range means from starting to the end point. For defining this, we used range data types. So next is set. Set is an unordered collection of unique elements. Example, number nums is equals to 1, 2, 3. So for defining set, we use curly braces, and it is used for removing duplicates, performing mathematical set operations, membership, and for membership testing. And set doesn't allow the duplicate values. We should define only one single element at only once. And frozen set, in the set we can change the values, but in frozen set we cannot change the values. Frozen set is an immutable version of a set. So for this we use the keyword called frozen set for defining, and then we define this. These are the examples. When the frozen set is used is when data should not be modified, used as dictionary keys to store. For secure data storage, we use frozen data set. Next is dictionary. Dictionary stores the key value pairs, meaning every key has the value. Example: student is equals to name Divya, age 20. The product is equals to ID 101. Price is 500. Like this, the dictionary is used while structured data structured data storage, database like representation, fast lookups, and data handling. In JSON handling, data handling meaning for storing the API names as well as the dynamic value, we use these dictionaries. Like this, we use the dictionaries. Next is the type checking using type function. Python has this special function called type function, which returns the data type of that value which we already stored in the variable. Like this returns which data type this variable is, meaning this returns integer data type because 10 is an integer value. Here it is the comparison table for list versus tuple versus set and dictionary. Features Features are defined for all these data types. In list, we use the symbol square brackets. In tuple, circular braces. In set, curly braces. In dictionary, also curly braces, but we store with the key and value. Uh, List is ordered, tuple is also ordered, and but set is not ordered. And dictionary is ordered in the Python version 3.7 to the next versions. So mutability of all these data types. List can be mutable. Tuples we cannot change the values. In set we can change the values. In dictionaries also we can change the value. Duplication in list duplications are allowed. In tuple also duplications are allowed. In set no duplications are allowed. That's why it is used for storing only the perfect values without duplications. And here values can be duplicate, but keys should not be duplicate. Indexing. List support the indexing. Tuple supports the indexing. Set and dictionary no does not support for indexing, but in dictionary we can access by the key. By using the key, we can access the values. And storage list stores multiple values. Tuple stores fixed values, and set stores unique values as it is defined that no duplication. And dictionary stores key value pairs. These are the examples for all these data types. And main use of this list is used for dynamic data storage. Tuple is used for fixed data, removing duplicates. Set is used for removing duplicates, and dictionary is used for structured data. Now we came to the end of the session. Conclusion. Python provides various built-in data types. Each data type has its specific features and uses. Choose the correct data type improves the code readability and performance. If we choose the correct data type, then it improves the efficiency and efficient storage of the computer. So choosing the correct data type in the programs is very important. So now I'm going to demonstrate a program in which all type of data is stored. So here the numeric data types are stored. Here string value, here boolean, list, tuple, range, set, frozen set, dictionary, x is equals to none, and none is also a special value where it stores no value. So it is defined as none. Uh, so I have printed all the data types using type function. As I told before, type function gives the output of the data type. We can observe here it has given all the data types which are stored in those variables: int, float, complex, and string, boolean, list, tuple, range, set, frozen set, and dictionary, and none. So thank you for the opportunity to present. I hope this presentation was good to know about all the data types used in Python. Thank you.